Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Capricorns, Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of December 2025. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Keep in mind it's a general reading. It might or might not resonate, and the action can be from your side also. Okay, let's see. Cappies, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. सुना सुना है जहां बस इतना मुझे समझा जा. We have Five of Pentacles, Death card, and the Six of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Empress. So this person is feeling like enough of this feeling left out in the cold, enough of feeling the loss of the situation. I should keep moving ahead in my life, and I should never back because. So this person is feeling like they have finally found peace in knowing that this situation is over. This is done. There is no use of crying over spilled milk. There is no use of being in the victim mode. And this person was feeling the loss of the situation on a very deeper level, and now their energies are transforming from being a victim to the energy of, okay, let's move forward. This is life, shit happens, and we move on, and this is it. So this person is feeling like moving on towards calmer water, finding their own resolution, finding their own peace. Bottom of the deck is the Empress. Now this person is very much focused on their growth and expansion, on their personal happiness. For some of you, this person might be moving on towards someone else or something else that is going to lead to a lot of growth and expansion and happiness in the coming future for them. Maybe they are getting settled, getting married, getting committed to someone else, or they have found someone with whom they are able to see a future with. But this person is no longer, at least for the time being, at this present moment, Capricorn, this person is no longer attached to you on an emotional level. They feel like, okay, whatever happened. They have to move on. They have to find their own peace. They have to find their own happiness, and they are heading towards it. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? We have the Seven of Wands, Three of Swords, the Moon card. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. This person don't want to talk to anyone about the pain, about the heartbreak, about the breakup, about the separation. This person doesn't want to be vulnerable in front of anyone right now. This person doesn't want to express their fears or insecurities or any kind of mysteries or secretive energies to anyone as of now. At any cost, this person wants to protect themselves from being hurt again in this lifetime because of whatever happened, maybe with you only, or maybe multiple times in their life, in this department, in this area of their life. They are not ready to like show their pain or show their wounds to anyone. They're like, okay, whatever happened. I am going to keep my pain to myself. I'm going to keep my fears and insecurities to myself. So this person wants to be very secretive, very mysterious, very much in this energy of being kind of an introvert kind of energy, where they don't want to reveal too much. They don't want to express too much when it comes to heartbreak and painful memories or painful energies. Mm. So they are right now in this energy of, I don't want to talk to anyone about my past, about any kind of heartbreaks or any kind of painful experiences. I just want to keep moving forward in my life. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. This person is emotionally overwhelmed with a lot of things in their life, and eventually they have learned that nobody is going to be there for them to like listen to them properly, to help them heal. They have to do it themselves. I'm not judging, I'm not saying right or wrong, but this is what they are, what their intentions are. So they are trying to distract themselves, they're trying to do multiple things at the same time so that they don't have to think about the heartbreak, the pain that they have experienced and what they are coming out of, because it still hurts them, it still bothers them whenever they think about the heartbreaks and the negative experiences in their life. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month, Cappies. We have Ace of Pentacles, the Star card, the King of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Wheel of Fortune. This person is moving on towards a better person, a better opportunity, a better situation. See, these are not the card of actions. This person is sending you blessings, compassionate energies. They are healing themselves. They are sending you healing energies, meaning they are hoping and praying for your well-being. They want you to move ahead in your life and do your thing, have a brand new beginning in your life. But this person is right now very much focused on creating a stable base for themselves. They are very much focused on healing themselves and remaining optimistic and positive to the idea of finding love again in their life. For most of you, this person is already having somebody by their side with whom they are moving forward. So they are sending you blessings and compassionate energy, but they are not going to take any kind of action in this direction whatsoever. If this was like the intentions or feelings were not like I the way I told you, then there were chances that they might try to heal the situation between you and them. But the overall reading is suggesting, and intuitively also I'm getting, that this person is not interested in coming back to you, because according to them this chapter is over. They have waited long enough. They have done whatever they could in this direction. Now they are busy moving ahead and creating their own happiness. Bottom of the deck is the Wheel of Fortune, right? So they are doing whatever it takes from their side to uh, change their energies, to change their destiny into a positive one, into a good and happy go lucky and beautiful to go ahead with kind of deal. So it might hurt you, Capricorn, but I am not going to lie to you just to make you happy. I rather like mm, make you sad with the truth rather than making you happy with the fake lies. So whatever happened, I don't know, but they waited for enough time to heal, to let go, to get out of the situation. They're still, whenever they think about the situation, it still bothers them. That's why they are not like even talking to anybody about it. They don't want to. They just want to keep themselves protected, their heart protected, and they are moving towards a new person, new energy, or new opportunities in their life, not coming towards you. Sorry to say that. If it bothers you, I'm sorry. If it doesn't, good. Now in the comment section, few of you are going to say, oh, I already knew that, I am over this person, I don't care why you are here then. Don't say stupid things, baba. You are here, you just want, because you are still connected. Okay, you are still feeling their energies. I don't know why people keep on lying to themselves only. Forget about me, I'm a random YouTuber on YouTube. At least be honest with yourself, honey. See, the guidance here is the Five of Cups, the Eight of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Cups. If you are still waiting for some kind of closure from this person's side, that someday they are going to talk to you about the hurt and the pain that they gave you, or whatever happened between you guys, I don't think so that is going to happen. Because this person is very much focused on the idea of moving forward in their life and creating their own happiness. They have accepted the truth and the reality of the situation, that this is over. Okay, I don't think so. If you're waiting for somebody to show up at your door and talk to you, have back and forth communication with you, sort it out with you, give you a proper closure, or give you the last statement that I am moving on, you also move on, or something like that, then you are wasting your precious life and time and energies on something that might never happen in this lifetime, Capricorn. Okay, I'm saying might because you never know what can happen. Nothing is written on stone, especially when it comes to tarot. Energy is fluid, it keeps on changing and shifting according to our karma and actions. Okay, but this person, if you are waiting for someone to get the proper closure, you have to get the closure from your side yourself. This is your closure, that this person is not interested in the situation anymore. They are trying to move forward in their life and they are trying too hard. I don't think so. If you are putting your life on hold so that someone can show up in your life and give you a reason to move ahead and move on and all that, you're wasting your time. And the guidance here is that the closure that you're waiting for is actually, you know that already. You're wasting your time, so don't like stop wasting your time, your precious life, on waiting for something or someone that you know might or might never happen. right? Bottom of the deck is a 10 of cups. Instead, you should spend your time, you should spend your life like for caring for those people who are there for you, even if it is just a one, it's just a one person, if it's just only a pet, if no one else is there in life for you. It's like you are your own family, you and your higher self, you and your spirit guides, you are your subconscious, you and your inner child. There is a lot to do with yourself. Okay, for those of you who are irritated and frustrated by my readings, by my honest, blunt, truthful readings, you guys have every right to, leave my channel with peace. But you don't have any right to disrespect or write long essays in comment section and telling me what should I do and what should I not do. If you're looking for solutions in tarot, it's not a magic. I don't have a magic wand to like clear all your problems and give you the solution. All I can do is give you the proper, honest guidance. And that is what tarot is meant for. It's not meant for the things that we want to hear, it's meant for the things that we need to hear. Okay, that's the difference. Major difference. And that's a very huge difference, actually. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to this area of your life. Okay, this portion also might or might not resonate. Please keep that in mind as it's a journal reading. And I will give you like 10 to 15 seconds for the same. If this is not enough time, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you want to. So let's start. The time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is listen to your intuition. Your intuition already know, your gut already know, okay? You just are refusing to listen, right? When you pull the listen to your intuition card, you already know the answer, right? That you are looking for. It is calling you to develop and nurture your intuition. What answers lie within? This is also one of the cards that might come up if you keep asking the same question over and over, so you know it already. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.